Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. On this one you're gonna want to get your chair, sit down, get some popcorn, some drinks. We got shitloads to do, and I'm gonna give you a massive update on everything that is been done and we still have to do on the golf. We're gonna be doing rocket cover gasket, we're gonna be doing spark plugs, oil change, front discs, rear drums, and I'm sure there was something else that I'm forgetting as well. We're gonna move it for the first time under its own power for probably 10 years now, somewhere in there. I think, yeah, easy 10 years. So I hope you're ready, because I know I am, and I hope you enjoy it. So let's just jump into it. Some of the clips that you're going to be seeing on this video have been recorded ages ago, so if I don't talk too much, I don't explain how to replace it, I apologize for that. I wasn't as confident as I am right now. So I hope you enjoy it. We're gonna try to jump start her since she's fucking dead anyway. So let's do that. Come on, come on. And she's alive. Last time you saw this car, we've done the bonnet latch, we've done the radiator, a few hoses as you can see, the vapor trap, the coolant flange, the water pump, the auxiliary belt. We did some gaskets on the carburetor as well. I used a bit of degreaser just to clean a bit the block. Looks quite a lot better now. Yeah, you can see it still got like a lot of shit in there, but well. So next step is taking the rocket cover off. We have a new gasket to fit, and then just put it back on, get the filter off, and oil change. Oh, we got spark plugs as well. So that's another one.
No se pueden cambiar sin problema, pero ese no. Yo no lo voy a llegar a tocarlo y después esto que se joda todo. Qué estúpido. Entra como los bomberos.
And just like that, she started right up first time, idling properly, cold, with no smoking. Another thing we need to replace is that, so hopefully we can just buy this part of the casing, since that is being broken here, so that needs replacing as well. 5 litres of Shell V-Power. Front discs are being replaced. I'm sure I got some footage of that as well. We put some nice overkill groove Brembo discs in there, so that should be quite good. Today we're going to do brakes front and back, and as well fixing something on the engine. I'll show you later, but let's look at this beauty. Beautiful Brembo discs. See, as you can see in this Volkswagen, the caliper carrier is already all together with the knuckle, so you don't have to remove it. You just have your screw here for your disc, and then once you remove that, you can put your new one in. If we got time as well, we're going to be replacing the tie rod ends, since the bush there is all split in both sides as well. You can see we're replacing the cylinders as well, and basically everything on the rear brakes besides the drum. Okay, so if we come underneath, this tie rod end here needs replacing because the rubber is cracked. Same thing on the other side, so we're going to be replacing that. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you from this side. Yeah, on this side, as you can see, the inner CV is broken, so we need to replace that one, and it's going to be a nice job. We do have that, and as well at some point I would like to clean all this oil and all this shit that is around here. And at the back, what we're going to need is a whole set of new rubber exhaust hoses, because all of them, I mean, I don't know if you're going to be able to see, but all of them are fucked. So yeah, that wouldn't be a bad job to do anyway. This is another thing that we're going to need to fix. We need some semi-rigid pipe for the central locking, because the other one, the other plastic hose that used to come from the back of the car to the locking mechanism that is there, that broke. The pipe got holes on it, So yeah, we need to replace that as well. I'm using the new mic as well. Hopefully that works better. Another thing that we need to do is bleed the brakes. I want to put new oil on the gearbox. And I think one of the last bits to just be able to pass the MOT, we need some gas struts for the boot because it's not holding. But apart from that, it's not a lot more, and more, as I said, most of the actual items we have them. It's just that I've been busy working on my own car, so it's been a bit, you know, hit and miss. But now in theory, since my other cars should be okay for the meantime, we should be able to actually crack on with this one. As I said, all depending on how the weather is. Hopefully I can get done a couple of things before it gets too cold or too rainy. So yeah, basically there you have it. I think after that we just need tires. As you can see, they are quite bad. Yeah, right there you can see these tires have been made in 2009, so you can't blame them for being like that, can you? What I'm doing right now is just adjusting the carburetor a bit. This was running a bit too low on RPMs. Yeah, so that sounds a bit better. Let's go and check. Yeah, that's perfect now. So I think that's pretty much it. It was just a small update on the car. I'll see if I still got some videos from the last time I worked on it. I know I lost some of them, which is unfortunate because I really wanted to show you the video of the brakes and stuff like that, but I'll see what I've got. I'll add it to this video. Any questions or comments, just feel free to leave them on the comment section. I'm really excited to be able to get this car back on the road. It's been probably parked for over 10 years right now. So yeah, it is a good one. I grew up with this car, so for me it means a lot. But yeah, as I said, I'm rambling now. I think I covered all the things that we still need to do on the car. And hopefully, maybe not next video, but the video after, we start working on it. So hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing if you do. And I will see you very shortly.